3 inches 1 design for exceptional flexibility, comfortable cleaning in all areas, floors, furniture and hard-to-reach spots, e.g. ceilings, as strong as Miele's most powerful corded vacuum series. For perfect cleaning results on all floors, 2 exchangeable Varta Li-ion batteries for up to 2 by 60 minutes runtime. Extra wide electrobrush multi-floor XXL, 11 in, with brilliant light LED lighting and automatic floor detection. For effortless and quick cleaning of all surfaces. Ideal for allergy sufferers and pet owners. The maintenance-free HEPA lifetime filter with greater than 99.999% dust retention capacity.